Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of the Indicator Store, and today presenting a new service, the Manager Templates. Let me show you where you can find it on the page. You can see that we have a menu template combos. The templates are configurations that, for example, let's take a look at this one. I have several optimized setups. Let's take a look, for example, to reversal as an example. So what we have here is a script file that when you load it on your NinjaTrader, it auto configures your chart with all the settings that I have optimized. Of course, this needs to be updated, so I will comment which is the current status. Currently, this is updated, and I will be updating the settings as market changes. When you download this template, in this example, you need the reversal indicator. This is explained here. And if you don't have the indicator, there are templates that include also the indicator. But let's say that you already have the indicator, okay? So you can, on this computer, this is the template that I was commenting. So I need to install that. Here we can see some templates that are already working. This is from the 8-year trend. And I need to install this. Let's take a look at what is inside, okay? But again, we don't need to open. The template include charts for Standard & Poor's and Nasdaq. In this case, 15 minutes. And also the corresponding ATMs with the target and stops. Instead of unzipping the files, I only need to go to install, like tools, import, NinjaScript, select the zip file that is on the desktop, template, and that's all. If you have already something installed, there's no problem. You have the option to overwrite or not. Okay, everything is installed. Now, if I have the indicator, I can load the template. Okay, I know that I don't have the reversal indicator. Let me check. No, I don't have the reversal, so I need to install. It is on my download folder, so I can open from here, tools, import NinjaScript. You don't need to do this if you already have reversal working. It is on my downloads. This one. Okay, it is installed. Let me check if it works or I need to validate the indicator, because this is the first time I am using the indicator on this computer, so maybe I need to enable the ID. Okay, I am going to leave the default settings. And yes, let me find my user for this. Okay, now it is working. We can see that it is showing some signals. Very nice, long. But this is not the configuration. So I only need to right click, templates, load. And by the way, I have an incorrect time frame, but doesn't matter. This is Standard & Poor's, and the reversal template is for Standard & Poor's 15 minutes. Okay, so I load that template, and then I select the correct time frame because this template was optimized for 15 minutes. Okay, now we can see a long, a short that will be executed. And also we can see that it is using this ATM that even if you don't have it, it is auto loaded here. Okay, so no problem. I only need to load the template. The rest is just selecting the correct account. I am going to run this on a SIM account for this setup. So select the account, enable the loans. But before enable the orders, okay, this template was created for Eastern time. And my computer is on Central time. So I need to decrease 1 hour, okay? So this is the only change that it is impossible to export. The automation tool, markers, is using, the times are also optimized, but the times are for New York, Miami, and if you have a VPS like this one, this is a VPS. I am going to add more info of where you can find good VPS. But in this case, it is Central Time, so I need to decrease 1 hour instead of 11, 10, instead of 15, 14, and time to close 14. That's the only change, okay, depending on your time zone. Don't forget, the settings are for Eastern Time, New York. Okay, and that's all. I can enable the longs, enable the shorts, and set to automatic. This is for Standard & Poor's. And also you can find the settings on the page. It is showing what is included, okay? Standard & Poor's for 15 minutes, Nasdaq for 15 minutes. Now that we are here, this is a report that I optimized using Strategy Analyzer, okay, using the last 3 months. And this is something that you can also do by yourself because the indicators include a strategy that you can use to optimize the parameters. I created several videos explaining how is the process, but you need to maintain this because when the settings are no longer working, you need to re-optimize again. So this is just this. So it is not a warranty that you are going to, this is going to work forever. This is just an optimization that I did to share with you. Now, we can do the other chart. This is for Standard & Poor's, the other is for Nasdaq. So we can create another chart on Nasdaq NQ, 15 minutes. Okay. And on this chart, load the template for NQ, reversal NQ. Okay. It is similar, also with a nice short. The ATM is not selected, but it is using 150 versus 250. And this is here. Okay? Even if you don't have the ATM, it is loaded. If you already have the ATM, you get a warning, as you saw at the beginning, that you can overwrite or not the ATM. So the only missing part is correcting the time. So I need to subtract 1 hour. Again, because this VPS is has the time setting for Chicago. So this is 1 hour, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. If I subtract 1 hour, it could be 0 hours. To end, instead of 10 hours, 9 hours. And here 10 and this 14. In this case, we have two time windows, okay? We trade the morning and also the afternoon. And we close positions at 14. That's the only thing that we need. So we select an account, reversal, click on the account selection, enable the longs, enable the shorts, automatic. Okay, so now it is ready. If you don't have markers, when you load the template, you get the signals only. So then you need to trade the signals manually with the ATMs provided. Okay, I will be posting the results, and if you load one of those templates, you will receive update if anything changes. If you like this video, don't forget to click on like and subscribe to help this channel. For any question or comment, you can find me on the chat room. The access is free and the instructions to login are on the description of this video. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.